Hi everyone, I'm going to make this peach tart and I'll show you how I did it. It's with fresh peaches. I made a crust. I ground up a 1/4 cup of macadamia nuts, 1 cup of almond flour, and 1/4 cup of shortening. Mixed it, put it in this tart pan that has removable bottom, and filled up the tart pan with the crust, very delicate as you can see. Gently put it into each little crevice and corner of the tart pan. Again, the crust is such a nice addition to it. The filling is a 1/2 cup of ricotta cheese, about a 1/2 cup of fresh peaches that I've mashed and boiled for 10 minutes, 1 egg, and some marshmallows that I'm going to break into pieces. So I'm going to mix all that together and I'm going to pour the filling into the tin. As you can see, there it is. It's not a real thick tart, but it's really delicate and tasty. And as you can see, with the peaches and the ricotta cheese, you get a nice creamy filling with the fruit. And then on top, we're going to put some unsweetened coconut, shredded, and we're going to bake in the oven for 350 at 45 minutes. And then we're going to serve it cut it into pie pieces, and we're going to serve it with some whipped cream. It was really good, very delicate, light, and I really enjoyed this nice way to use up some peaches from the garden. Well, I hope you liked the video, and please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.